Hello students, welcome once again. Today we are going to do a moral story about the wolf and the lean dog. आज हम स्टोरी किसके ऊपर करेंगे? एक भेड़िया और एक बहुत पतला सा कुत्ता या फिर डॉग। तो ये शायद आपने सुनी नहीं होगी, तो चलो आज हम सुनते हैं। In a jungle there lived a wolf. The wolf could not get enough food for him as the people from nearby village used to chase him and he seldom got a chance to catch their hens or pets. In a forest there lived a wolf. He did not get enough food. Why? Because the people in the village used to throw him out or chase him away. Sometimes he got a chance to catch one of their hens or pets, but that was very rare. One night, when the wolf was roaming around about in the village in search of food, he met a well-fed dog. So one night when the wolf was going around in the village for food, he found a very healthy dog, a dog that ate a lot and it was very fat and fluffy. The bony and starved wolf was impressed to see the strong and plump dog. Now, the wolf was very thin because he did not get to eat for a long time. Compared to him, the dog was very strong and plump. Plump means little fat. So he was very impressed by this. That wow, the dog is so fat. He forgot to kill him, and out of interest, the wolf asked the dog. So the wolf did not even think about killing him. He was interested about the dog's life. The wolf asked the dog, "How do you manage to keep yourself well fed in the village as I seldom get chance to have any food from the villagers? How is it that I hardly get any food from this village people, and you, on the other hand, you look very healthy. How do you manage to get food from these people when they throw me away, but you, you look so healthy?" The dog smiled and replied. Now the dog smiled towards the wolf and told him, what did he tell him? You too can enjoy such a relaxed life with ample food and care. Ample means enough. You can also enjoy this wonderful life that I'm having. You'll get enough food and care. I just watch the house of my Lord at night and get a whole day of rest and food from them. Now here is the catch. Catch means the realistic story about it. The dog takes care of a person's house at night, and during the day it can rest and they will feed him. You too can join me. You can also join me in taking care of my owner's house and they will feed you. The wolf was very happy to hear about the chicken bones, cakes, excess foods, and crisses that he used to enjoy from the dog and decided to follow him. Now, in the wolf's heart and mind, the wolf was very happy when he thought about it that he would get chicken bones, cakes, lots of food. Excess means a lot of food. Crisses means lovely touches from people. And he could also enjoy his life like the dog. So he decided to follow the dog. Suddenly the wolf found a black spot on the dog's neck. Now, suddenly the wolf saw there is a black dot on the dog's neck. The wolf asked the dog about the reason for that mark. Now the wolf asked the dog, "Why do you have a mark on your neck? At first, the dog avoided his question, telling it to be just a trifle or a trifle. So, in the beginning, the dog he did not want to answer that question. He just said, "Oh, it's nothing." At last, the dog replied, "It was the mark of the collar which my master fastened me in the daytime." So it's that mark is the mark of a collar. That's the collar we put on the animals, the dog. That the dog's owner would put it on his neck during the day. The wolf was astonished to hear that the dog could not move according to his wish and decided to return. Now the dog was shocked to hear that. The wolf was shocked to hear that the dog could not move around the way he wanted because he was controlled by the collar during the day. And thinking about it, that what if I will also have to wear that collar? I would not be able to move around, and I don't like that. And that's when the wolf decided that yes, I don't want to do this. I want to go back home. As the dog asked him the reason for his return, the wolf answered, "Dear, it is better to live a starved life in the woods than to remain fastened with the food and comfort." Now, when the wolf was going back home, the dog asked him, "Why suddenly you want to go home? Why you don't want to come with me? What's the reason?" That's when the wolf tells him, it's better to live with an empty stomach than to be tied and given food and comfort. Now, here, the wolf thought that it's better, even if I'm not having that much food, I can live the life I want. I can go everywhere that I want. But for the dog, he has to wear that collar. Yes, it is good that he's getting a lot of food and love and comfort. But what about the freedom? Now, from this story, we learn that the story gives us the lesson that freedom is more valuable than the ease and comfort of life. Yes, for a lot of people, freedom is very important than comforts and all the happiness in the world. What if you're so rich, you have lots of food, but you're not happy? And what if you're not rich, you don't have lots of food, but you have enough to go through the days, but you are happy with your family? Which option would you choose? Now the proverb says, lean freedom is better than fat slavery. Lean means thin freedom is better than being fat with slavery. Now let's get the summary of this story. This is the story about a wolf and a dog. The wolf is very thin. He hardly gets any food. Whenever it goes to the village, the villagers chase him out of it, and he could not get much food. Sometimes he gets lucky and catches a hen or a pet, but most of the time he's not, and he has to stay hungry. Now, one night the wolf was going around in the village, and that's the time when it saw a dog that was fat and healthy, and he did not even think about killing him. He only thought about, how can this be the same place where I don't get much food? I'm thrown away. And here this dog is healthy and plumpy and gets all the food in the world. So he asks him, how? And the dog tells him that I guard the houses of my master and they feed me and take care of me. And the wolf said, yes, that's a good thing. Can I also do it with you? The dog said, yes. And they decided to go to the owner's house. On the way, the wolf saw a spot on the dog's neck and asked him, what is it? The dog was a little hesitant to tell him, but in the end he told him that it's the mark of a collar. They put a collar around me during the day. And that's when the wolf realized that, no, I don't want to be with you. I don't want to stay there. I want to go back home. And when asked why, he replied, it's better to be thin and hungry than to be fat and plumpy and be a slave. चलो अब हम ये स्टोरी हिंदी में करेंगे। जो बच्चों को अभी भी थोड़ी समझ में नहीं आ रही है तो आप अभी पूरी समझ जाओगे। ये स्टोरी है भेड़िए की और एक डॉग की, कुत्ते की। अब जो भेड़िया है वो जंगल में ही रहता है, पर वो गांव में आता था। क्यों? क्योंकि उसके पास खाने के लिए ज्यादा नहीं था। तो जब भी वो गांव में आता था तब गांव वाले उसको भगा देते थे और उसको इतना खाने को नहीं मिलता था। कभी कभी उसके नसीब अच्छे होते थे कि उसको कुछ मिल जाता है खाने के लिए, जैसे कि लोगों के पालतू जानवर या फिर एक मुर्गी, पर ऐसा बहुत कम होता था। तो वुल्फ एक रात को गांव में घूम रहा था खाने की तलाश में। तब उसने एक बहुत हेल्दी और फ्लफी कुत्ते को देखा। तब उसके दिमाग में ये भी नहीं आया कि इसको मार के खा लो। उसके दिमाग में ये आया, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है, एक ही गांव जहां पे मुझे भगा देते हैं और इसको इतना खाना मिलता है। तो वो उसको पूछता है कि ऐसा क्यों है। तो वो उसको बोलता है कि मैं मेरे मालिक के घर की चौकी करता हूँ और उसके बदले में वो मुझे खाना देते हैं, प्यार देते हैं, उनके घर में पनाह देते हैं। तो ये सुन के वुल्फ बहुत खुश हो जाता है, अरे वाह, मैं भी ऐसा कुछ करूँगा। तो डॉग के साथ वो चला जाता है। जब वो जा रहे हैं तब वुल्फ ने नोटिस किया कि डॉग के गले में एक मार्क है। तो उसको पूछता है ये क्या है। तो पहले तो कुत्ता ऐसे ही बोल देता, अरे छोड़ो ना, कुछ नहीं है। पर बाद में उसको बताता है कि ये गले में जो पट्टा बांधते हैं मेरे मालिक, उसका निशान है। और ये सुनने के बाद वुल्फ कहता है मुझे नहीं जाना तुम्हारे साथ, मुझे वापस घर जाना है। तब डॉग उसको पूछता है ऐसा क्यों। तब वो उसको बताता है कि अच्छा है मैं भूखा रहूं, मेरी जिंदगी ऐसी निकल जाए भूखी, भटकता रहूं जंगल में, पर मुझे ऐसी जिंदगी नहीं चाहिए जहाँ पे सारे ऐशो आराम हो पर मैं एक गुलाम बन के रहूं। मेरे गले में एक पट्टा हो, ना मैं यहाँ वहाँ घूम सकता हूँ, ना अपने मर्जी से कुछ कर सकता हूँ। ऐसी जिंदगी नहीं चाहिए। इससे अच्छा ये मेरी जिंदगी अच्छी है जहाँ मुझे फ्रीडम तो है। तो हमें इससे क्या पता चलता है कि फ्रीडम बहुत ज़रूरी है। किस चीज़ से ज़रूरी है? ऐशो आराम से। अगर हम बंधे हुए हैं तो चाहे कितना भी खाना मिल जाए, कितनी भी चीज़ें मिल जाए, हम खुश नहीं होंगे जब तक हमें फ्रीडम नहीं मिलता। तो यही हम सीखते हैं कि फ्रीडम में चाहे हम कैसे भी हो हम खुश रहेंगे, पर जब हम किसी के गुलाम बनते हैं तो चाहे कितनी भी कंफर्ट मिले, कितने भी ऐशो आराम मिले, पर हम अंदर से खुश नहीं होंगे। आई होप आपको ये स्टोरी अच्छी लगी हो। आपको क्या करना है, यही स्टोरी अपने ओन वर्ड्स में इंग्लिश में बोलनी है और इसका ऑडियो मुझे कल सुबह 10 बजे से पहले शेयर कर देना है। ठीक है, आज के लिए इतना ही, बाय बाय।